You know that stinging sensation of not being able to deliver software that works seamlessly across different operating systems, devices, and hardware? We've all been there and we know it's not walk in the park. Welcome back to AquaCloud channel dedicated for the experienced testers, the knowledgeable QAs, the developers who strive for excellence. Today we are diving deep into a significant part of software development, a crucial part often overlooked, but one that ensures a seamless user experience. Today we are talking about compatibility testing. Compatibility testing is our knight in shining armor when software seems to act like a spoiled child behaving well on one device but throwing tantrums on another. It checks whether the software is compatible with a myriad of devices, operating systems, and platforms. Its primary goal to ensure that software works like a dream on a broad spectrum of systems and devices. Why is compatibility testing so crucial? It's a lighthouse guiding us towards a smooth user experience. It increases customer satisfaction by ensuring consistency across devices. More than that, compatibility testing is our best friend in saving time and resources by identifying potential issues early in the development process. Compatibility testing isn't just one thing, it comes in many flavors. We have operating system, browser, mobile device, hardware, network, and database compatibility testing, among others. But it doesn't stop there. Compatibility testing also checks forward and backward, ensuring that your software plays well with both future and older versions of hardware, software, and network configurations. Before moving on, I would like to remind you to subscribe to the AquaCloud YouTube channel to get videos about software testing and QA management directly to your feed. Integrating compatibility testing during the software development lifecycle, particularly during the testing phase, is like catching the bus on time. You get to identify and resolve compatibility issues before your software hits the market. Now, as to how we perform it, the process involves several stages, from identifying the target environment to documenting and reporting the results. Of course, with every journey, we face hurdles. The road to successful compatibility testing is filled with diverse configurations, limited resources, time constraints, and ever-evolving software environments. But don't worry, I'm here to help you tackle them. Let's talk about strategies for successful compatibility testing. To better explain our strategies for successful compatibility testing, let me tell you a little story. Imagine we are embarking on a challenging mountain expedition. Our goal is to reach the peak, which in our case is the successful deployment of our software across all platforms. Firstly, any expedition needs a detailed roadmap. In our journey, that's our comprehensive compatibility testing plan. It outlines all possible paths, which are the various hardware and software configurations that our software could encounter. This plan is our guiding light, helping us navigate the challenging terrains and ensuring no stone is left unturned. On our journey, we carry with us automation-minded backtracking tools. Think of these as our high-tech binoculars. They help us spot and record any potential pitfalls, the bugs, along our path. By keeping a watchful eye, these tools help us stay on track, saving time, resources, and ensuring we don't miss out on any hidden dangers. As we advance, we have to choose our paths wisely. We need to prioritize the most commonly used trails. These are our critical configurations. These paths are often tread by users, and ensuring a smooth experience here results in a higher success rate. It's like choosing the trail that's widely used, reducing our chances of encountering unexpected problems. Now, expeditions don't succeed if they're rushed. We need to acclimate, take regular stops to check our gear and progress. That's where the strategy of testing early and often comes in. By integrating compatibility testing at the beginning stages of our development process, we can spot any issues before they become dangerous cliffs we can scale. It's our way of keeping the team and the journey on track. Speaking of teams, our expedition is composed of diverse individuals. Each one brings their unique perspective to the table, helping us spot potential issues from various angles. It's like having climbers with different strengths. Some are good at navigating, some at setting up camps, and some at finding the best path. Together, they ensure we are prepared for any scenario. And lastly, in our tech mountain, the weather changes rapidly. These are software updates and changes. Staying up to date ensures that our gear, our software is ready to face these changes. It's akin to being prepared for any weather condition on our expedition. By keeping up with the fast pace, we can swiftly reach the peak, deliver a flawless user experience, and plant our flag of success. So remember, our expedition to compatibility testing isn't just about reaching the peak, it's about overcoming the challenges along the way, ensuring our software runs smoothly across all platforms, and most importantly, that it delivers a flawless user experience that attracts and retains users. As we descend from our mountain, we know we are ready for the next one, equipped with our strategies and experiences from this journey. To make this more concrete, I would recommend you to see real-world examples. In the description to this video, I'll add a link to the article where are described compatibility testing strategies for mobile apps and the Figma app as an example. Remember, friends, compatibility testing is your safety net, your line of defense in ensuring that your software runs seamlessly in various environments. It saves you time and resources, and most importantly, it offers your users an impeccable experience. So harness the power of compatibility testing and deliver quality that speaks volumes. Thank you for joining us today. Stay tuned, stay knowledgeable, and remember, testing matters.